Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Today I am going to be making a mini makeup kit. Well, it's not going to be real makeup, but I'm just going to be kind of showing you how to express yourselves and not be bored because it's my winter break and I'm really bored most of the time and I don't want to study, because studying is really boring. So I am doing a really good craft and I'm going to do it with all of you guys. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so first you are going to get two circles and it's your choice because don't mind this, I tried to draw on myself. Well, I cut it from this paper. I didn't cut it I just cut it like this and I put the scissor like this and just cut it like this. So it wasn't actually that hard. And then I have 4 sticky notes. And I cut a flower and put it in here. Let me show you how to make a flower first. I mean, you can do a circle or a flower, but you can just find the tutorial on YouTube. But still, I am going to teach you how to make a flower. I think I'm gonna make a flower out of oh no. I think I'm gonna make a flower out of, what should I make it out of? I'm just gonna make it out of this. This kind of looks like foundation, doesn't it? Oh my god, it doesn't. Okay. So first you need a square paper. Then you're gonna fold it like this. And then you're gonna do this. And then you can do a pencil or marking over here. I don't because it's mostly easy for me. So you're gonna do this. Just like that. And then you're gonna just open it and ta-da! You have a beautiful flower. And sometimes when I'm doing a bigger craft, I just cut it from here. And then I use this on top and you have made a flower, but a smaller flower. And it's actually really cute. So, yeah. I've already done this, but this flower is not sticking that well. So, I'm just gonna use some tape. Whee! Okay, that was dramatic. Yeah. Some people just use glue. If you have glue, you can just use that. I don't have glue, so I'm just gonna be doing this, and I'll be right back. I have done it. I have put tape all around this so it doesn't actually do it. So I don't have blue sticky notes. I mean, I don't think anyone has those. So how am I gonna make the mirror here? Well, I have some marker colors and I'm gonna use it with that. So I'm not just gonna do it directly or something like that. It's gonna be actually really hard for me to do it because no one actually makes a perfect circle. And this doesn't fit either, so I'm kind of worried. Okay, let's just start. And oh, okay, that actually, oh my god, that's horrible. I hate it so much. That's totally okay. I should have done it with a pencil, but that's okay. So now I'm just gonna do this, and well, technically already. I know it looks very bad, but that's okay because this part is gonna be here too. So we're gonna get yellow, sticky note. Because I don't do it from the top, then it will be like this, and I can't do it. So I don't mostly do that. Now, I'm gonna do this, and I'm just gonna cut it. And I'll just cut it and do everything, and then we can focus on the other product. I am done. Then I will see you guys in the next video to do the other one. Thank you all for watching. Bye.